Is localized multimedia control logic crashing because of the Playctrl Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. While we cover the technical fix for Playctrl Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Playctrl Library, a specialized localized playback control library, frequently associated with localized Hikvision or localized CCTV media players. It manages localized unmanaged hardware-accelerated video decoding and localized real-time localized stream rendering for localized surveillance footage. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. If the host software cannot locate Playctrl Library DLL, it indicates a corruption in the localized multimedia control logic subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Playctrl library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please use caution. Replacing Playctrl Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Playctrl Library and PC Health. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Playctrl Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.